If your pool heater thermostat is acting up, it's probably time to replace that thing before your pool turns into an ice bath or a sauna. So first, make sure you actually need a new thermostat by checking if your heater turns on and off at the right temps. If it's all over the place or not heating at all, that's a red flag. Next, turn off the power to your heater. Safety first, you don't want to get zapped. Grab a screwdriver and carefully take off the thermostat cover to see what's inside. Now, check the wiring and connections for any signs of corrosion or loose wires. Sometimes that's the culprit, not the thermostat itself. If everything looks sketchy or worn out, it's time to swap it out. When you buy a new thermostat, make sure it matches your pool heater model so it fits and works right. Installing is usually just unplugging the old one and hooking up the new one in the same spots. Once installed, power it back up and test it by setting the temp and watching if it heats properly. One of the biggest mistakes with pool heater thermostat replacement is not turning off the power first. Seriously, don't skip that step or you risk injury. Another common problem is buying the wrong thermostat that doesn't match your heater model, which leads to more headaches and wasted cash. The third issue is ignoring corroded or damaged wires. If you just slap on a new thermostat without fixing those, you'll keep having problems. The fix? Always cut power before touching anything. Double check your heater model number before ordering parts, and inspect or replace any bad wiring before installing the new thermostat. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who know their stuff and won't mess up big jobs like pool heater repairs. Contractors use BigHomeProjects.com too because it connects them with people who actually need work done, making life easier for everyone.